Hi, I'm Miki Fleck, and this is my bike. I've got this gold United Incarnate frame, it's my colorway, and it's a 21.2 on the top tube and a 13-inch on the chest plate. Then I've got the Primo Infinity Force and the Primo Rebar 9-inch bar with the Cali grips. I got my front load signature stem from United, which you can get it in black, silver or brass. Then I ride both wheels the balance with the BS rim and the Bimosta tires, 240. Then I've got my signature pegs, metal Miki pegs, which are 4.5 long and they're so strong you can ride crazy things, long rides, and they will last you long for sure. Then I've got the turbo pedals, Primo turbo pedals, that they don't have the space, which is a lot better for doing pedal grinds and crank flips, with the Churchill 170 cranks and the solid Primo sprocket. I've got the Hobby Dogs seat, Primo seat, the United Ribbon seat post. And I think that's all. If you need anything, don't doubt and go to the United website and you will find my signature parts. Thanks guys.